you might have seen the logo of the AI product engineer, which is the Ducktyper. And what if I were to tell you that you can have the same logo or a very similar one, just using a few lines of code and making use of NVIDIA NIM, the latest set of APIs from NVIDIA with open weight models, the latest ones for all type of use cases. And with these models, I can create images such as the ones that we are seeing on the screen of a dog similar to the Ducktyper. And not only that, but also we can generate videos out of a single frame of an image, such as the one that I have here playing in the screen. How can we do that? Well, it's very easy. We just have to go to the NVIDIA Launchpad. We just need to copy-paste the API endpoints that are available there, use the API key that we get from NVIDIA, and start playing with it. For this, I have created a notebook, and we will use this notebook to create the images that we need. Let's do that quickly. So we see that we just need to wrap the API endpoints in some Python code, very easy, and we'll be using two models, Stable Diffusion XL and Stable Diffusion. The biggest difference is that one will give me a larger image with much more detail, and the other one will be a bit more basic. And now also I want to do some change. If we look at our original image, we see that the dog that we have here is not exactly super happy, but we want a happy logo, a smiling dog. So in our prompt, we put that we want a happy dog. And once we get the result from the NVIDIA API, the payload, we have to convert this into a JPEG. Very easy. For this also, we have code. All this code is available in the link section. You can play with it and run it super easily. Let us execute it. Yes, so I have here defined the name for these files. I just need here to check how it looks. Let's download it. We download it. And we check how they look. And we see, okay, this is already a bit smiling. How about the other one? Well, we see the difference. And we can compare between what we're saying, the XL model and the other one, the medium model. We can see how the size of the image is very different, but also the resolution. One looks more like a comic strip, whereas the other one looks really like a cartoon, very detailed. And also how we change with just a single word from happy, and we got our happy dog. But now let us get quickly the video. This is also using a Stable Diffusion model, so here available as Stable Video Diffusion. Let us see the example where I can use, for example, the image of a car, and the model is capable of generating a small movie of the car in movement. Amazing, right? Well, what happens if we do the same with our happy dog? How will it look like? Well, also here we have defined some code. It's again very easy. We're just calling the model, and then we need some way to get the result back and convert it into a MP4. We execute it. It takes a while to process because this is a video. It takes a bit longer than the images, but nevertheless, it's super fast. Really, this is one of the things that is great about NVIDIA NIM. Not only that it's super easy to use, it is really for anyone, not only for AI experts, but pretty much anyone who knows a little bit of Python, and also other programming languages. They have really SDKs for various programming languages. But also the speed and the response times. So now it's already finished. Let us download the video of this happy dog, how it will look like. Let us see. We have it here. And we see that it is a very different video than the one that we originally showed. Let us compare. The right side is the old video that I have originally. The dog is somehow waving its cape, and in the latest one that we generated is some sort of a transformation of the dog. We did all this using just the NVIDIA NIM API endpoints. And if you want to start using it, just follow the link that I am attaching to sign up, create an account, and start playing with it. Because we just looked at two cases: create an image based on a prompt and create a video based on an image. But there is much more for you to choose from. Also, industrial cases. There is, for example, if I go here, in this industrial section, there is weather forecasting. In the healthcare section, there is all type of models for drug discovery. If I go to, for example, also a gaming, there are dedicated models for this. There are also models for retail. And of course, the classics such as Llama and the embedding models, and also image to text models and so on. All these already pre-selected for you. You don't really need to think which model I need. You just have to think which case do you require. And this is super easy, super fast. So if you have not tried out NVIDIA NIM, what are you waiting for? Really, NVIDIA NIM is a fantastic option for anyone who is just starting to develop AI products, but who wants to have powerful, robust, simple, and fast AI products. Check NVIDIA NIM now and tell me, did you like it? Was it easy? Did you struggle? Which model did you like best? Share it in the comment section. And remember, we are the AI product engineer. We are the community building the AI products of the future.